Hello guys, I'm back. Let's see, can we catch a pike? The video ends when I got a pike. Yeah, the video ends when I get pike. Oh, on the first cast. Is it pike? Is it pike? Oh, yellow birds. My first yellow birds ever. I'm not gonna keep it. I'm not release it because my official XS is almost full. Why I didn't buy a better official? Why? Why is people catching so big fishes and then I can catch only small fucking birds? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck? Bruh. Bro. Why? It's a huge fish. No, it's not a fish. It's a fucking reed. Ooh, yay! I just want the bike. Oh, yes. That's a bit bigger than the last one. Is that a pike? I don't know. Bahaha. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye.